And also to carve out your eyebrows, like, bam, like, bam. Hey guys, this is Jen of all trades. Today I am doing another makeup video. This video was requested by a wonderful subscriber slash supporter of my videos, Izzy. Shout out to you for saying and recommending that I doing this. I just learned to speak English. Alrighty, that I should do this. So I am very happy to do this. I hope that everyone enjoys it. And purple is, as you can see, I am doing a purple eye look today. But yeah, purple is kind of like one of my go-to colors. I love purple, as you can see. I normally have purple hair, and you know, purple's just my favorite color. So I love, yeah, that kind of thing. Now, I will say purple is a hard color to do, in my experience, because it's hard for me to find, it has been hard for me to find that color, that brand that really pops purple. Most of the purples that I have tried are bland. They're not really pigmented. It's really hard to get a purple to show up. So today I'm going to be using a combination of palettes, and hopefully it's not too crazy for you, but this is just the method that I have came up with to really make your eyes pop and get that purple that you're looking for. So to start out, I do have, everything is done. My eyebrows, my face, all of this stuff is done and ready to go. I do have concealer on my eyes as well, as kind of like primed, ready to go. You want to start out with a good base on your eyelids to really get that pop of color that you're looking for. You don't have to do that, but I think if you really want that color to show through, that's the best method for that. And also to carve out your eyebrows, like, bam, like, bam. That's how you do it. I learned that the hard way, because I don't do it all the time, but when you do, it's like, bam, there's your eyebrows. Like, wow. And they're not twins. It's super, super hard. I normally have one that's like, hey. And you know, when you have that problem, you just go like this. Anyways, so I think they're not bad today, but don't judge me on that. Anyways, we're gonna focus on the eyes. So today I am starting out with, because this is a palette that has been controversial, but it works well for me, and I haven't had a problem with it. This is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette that I did get in one of my BoxyCharms. It is one of those palettes with super vibrant, awesome colors, and I've pretty much used all of these colors in this palette because I love bright colors, you know. And I start out, some people like to put the base on, you know, like a base neutral kind of color. I'm not even worried about that right now. We'll do all that later. So to start off, I'm just gonna go right into the dark color first, like boom, here you go. This is called Hung Over, and this is a super, super pigmented purple. So before I put this on my eyes, we're gonna get up close and personal. Is that better? Okay. Okay, now that we're super close, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the purple. This is my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Brush 7. It's kind of my go-to brush. I'm gonna put this right on the outer corner. Another thing is, I always, generally, I pack the colors on. And kind of go out a little bit slightly on the outer. Now for the inner lighter area right here, you can go with a pink, you can go with the orange, any kind of color that's going to go along with that. You can also even do a light purple. Let me show you. The second palette I am using today is the Aurora Lights by BH Cosmetics, which is another go-to of mine. Pretty much use the same palettes. I'm a creature of habit. I think today I'm gonna go with Vibrant. We're gonna put this on the inside. Okay. And then the next thing that you want to do is blend them out. This is an e.l.f. blending brush. I paid a whole $1 for it. I know, it's crazy. We're just softening those lines, okay? Next, the palette I am going to use next is another BH Cosmetics, my Modern Matte 28 color eyeshadow palette. And this, I am using my Alamar brush, just a little flat. The color for the top, which will be like the transitional kind of shade, baby pink color. And kind of use this to kind of blend them all. Then just to reiterate the dark purple on the outer corner, I'm going to go back with my Studio Pro 7 and back in with the Hungover. And go over that area again. Okay? And I do always like to have a fluffy kind of brush to brush off any fallout that may have gotten under my eye. Now for the under eye, I always put color on that. So for that, I'm using this little flat brush, also from Alamar. I actually got these in my Boxy Luxe. Now, I have been getting a little crazy with it and putting different colors, like orange would go really well underneath of the, you know, this, or even pink, which I think I'm gonna go with. Again, with the BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, pause. Yes, you're seeing it correctly. That's a fucked up new contour trick that I was trying and it didn't work out so well. Not doing that again. If you're still sticking with me, you are the true VIP. Back to your regularly scheduled video. I'm gonna do this pink right here for underneath on the inner, and then more of a purple on the outer corner. Okay, and then for the outer corner, I'm gonna go back into Hungover. Okay, and then just to soften that line, I'm using a little line smudge brush from Eco Tools. There you go. And that also kind of blends this as well. Alright, so you see that kind of shape that is going on. Okay? Alright, and for the inner corner, again, the Aurora Light Kaleidoscope, which is a shimmer. It's a very pastel pink kind of color. And the cool thing with this color is okay. It actually, this whole top row, it has iridescent kind of flakes in it. So it has that real like holographic iridescent kind of color to it. Up close, it's bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera and do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now my makeup look is done. Both my eyes are done. The look's not done. We're getting there. I'm gonna go ahead and do my wings, my mascara, and some lashes, and my lips, which let me tell you what I'm using. I have, for mascara, I'm using the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl. And then for my lashes, I am using the Ardell Faux Mink and Demi Wispies, which I have not had a chance to try, so that's exciting. For my lips, I will be using Kat Von D. This is my go-to. This is called Lolita. Her lip liner, oh my gosh, it goes with everything. And I use it every day pretty much. And then for the actual fill-in color, I'm going to use the Smashbox. This is my little lip palette thing. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I am back. This is the final look. So, yeah. This is everything on. My wings did not turn out perfectly, but it works. So yes, if you are looking for that perfect like cow in your face purple. BH Cosmetics is definitely where it's at. The Laura Lee Animal Palette also, Party Animal Palette also works amazing. And stay tuned because it is October. I'm gonna be changing my background and everything to a more Halloween-y type atmosphere type stuff. We're gonna be doing some special effects, Halloween, scary, and good, awesome kind of looks. So stay tuned for that. As soon as I get my background changed and we are official, then I'm gonna be doing that. So I will have more makeup stuff like that also coming up. If you guys like this look, you want to see me do more makeup type tutorials or any certain palette, any certain color or look, let me know in the comments below. Also, a big thank you to Izzy again for suggesting this. I hope you like it, Izzy, and everyone else out there. And yeah, if you have another suggestion, I'm totally up for doing it. So let me know. All right, so that is that. So I hope you guys like the video. And don't forget to, if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. I am Jack of all trades. You never know what I'm gonna post every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. Alrighty, I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.